Oh my God! What? What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com. We have a Honda Shadow 2004 750, and I love these bikes. Let's take it for a spin, and I'm actually on my way. I'm gonna go pick up my wife, throw her on the back, and show you guys how this thing can ride double with two people on the highway, crushing it. Let's go do it. All right, guys, so it's a little bit wet. Let's read the Bible verse real quick before it just kind of flies away. John 5:3, 1 John 5:3. In fact, this is love for God, to keep his commandments, and his commands are not burdensome. To keep his commandments, and his commands are not burdensome. Amen. Alright, so this bike has 20,000 miles on it, 20,250 miles. It's a little bit wet, no big deal. This bike has a great power, and I'm pumped to take on the highway, take it for a spin. And you guys have seen me do tons of videos of this thing. A lot of people have this misconception that they're like Honda 750. If your bike's not an 1800cc, you know, supercharged, fire-breathing demon, you don't even have enough power to drive yourself, 100-pound self, on the highway, let alone two people. If you're gonna drive two people on the highway, you need at least a V8 Boss Haas. And I'm gonna prove that, you know what, a 750 is tons of power for most people just cruising on the highway. And if you guys saw my other video, this is a 2004. If you guys saw my other video of me driving a 1982 Honda, what was that, Silverwing, which is a 500cc bike. It's a full fairing touring bike on the highway, just crushing it. That might make you change your mind about how you think about CCs and displacement. Oh, look at this other motorcyclist riding in the rain. I hope he's not coming to see me. Doesn't even have a helmet. Alright, so here's the plan. Because I wanted to show you guys that I'm going to ride double, I'm going to jump on the highway. I'm going to go back to my house, pick up my wife. She weighs about 100 pounds. And you'll be able to see I weigh about 275. She weighs 100. So either this will tell you whether a 275-pound man could ride on the highway, or you and your wife of similar weight can ride on the highway at the same time. Oh my God! What? Caleb!
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
How long have you been back there?
I just got here.
Okay.
I was dozing off because I'm so comfortable riding on the back of this bike.
Yeah. Oh well. What are you doing back there, man?
You know, just hanging out. Just not trying to replace your wife or anything, but coming close to it, I think.
So I was gonna go grab my wife. She weighs 100 pounds. How much do you weigh?
Let's like triple that. Nah, we're like 230, 225.
All right, so you're 230. Let's say you're 230. Let's say you're 225. I'm 175. Is that 400 pounds?
Yeah.
All right then, let's change the video. We are gonna see whether either two fairly large people can ride double on a Honda 750 Shadow, or one giant 400-pound man.
And I'm gonna be honest with you, I know why girls like sitting back here. It's super comfortable.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, it is actually. This is actually, I got a pretty narrow butt, but you know, it's probably just about as narrow as any chick, so it feels great.
I was wondering, I was like, I didn't know this thing had armrests. And that is your knees.
You were like, dang, these armrests have better legs than my wife.
You know, these armrests are so comfortable and warm. All right, so change of plan. Let's see how a giant man can run on the highway, and let's see if we can keep up with cars and keep up with highway speeds. And also, let's try not to low side Although that'd be a great video, wouldn't it?
What do you mean low side?
Like, you know, like slide out for, you know.
We're not even, well, I know what you mean, but I was meant like we're not talking about that.
50, 55.